Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is Travis with your Thursday, July 21st planning briefing. Looking at the weather threat matrix, the first thing that stands out is Friday afternoon and evening for fire weather concerns, especially in southwest Montana, to a certain extent in west central Montana. As we go into the weekend through Monday, stays pretty dry and warm. A few thunderstorm chances mixed in, and then getting into late Monday into Tuesday, potential for a wind shift and also some showers and thunderstorms around. Getting into the details a little more for Friday, our concern is especially southwest Montana for the combination of low min-RH. You can see the teens in the graphic here. Gusty winds of 30 to 40, perhaps some even higher gust, 30 to 40 miles per hour and higher gust in southwest Montana. And then a high Haines index of 5 to 6 in southwest Montana as well. We do have somewhat of a concern across west central Montana, part of the Lolo National Forest for critical fire weather conditions, but it seems to be much more marginal compared with what we're expecting in southwest Montana for Friday afternoon and evening. Looking at another side of this, we'll stop this animation. So this is a model reflectivity loop for the day on Friday. You'll notice some showers, light showers popping up during the early morning hours on Friday. That continues through the day as a weak cold front passes through. We may actually see a few thunderstorms pop up as well in northwest Montana that could produce some gusty outflow winds. And last but not least, you don't see a whole lot of it reflected in this particular model guidance, but we may have a few isolated thunderstorms pop up in southwest Montana as well. So keep that in mind for the day on Friday. Now we'll stop this animation as well before we get going too far into it. So this is a look at the mid and upper level part of the atmosphere and some of the height anomalies. So generally speaking, all the orangish red colors are higher heights, indicating like a ridge of high pressure, and then some of the other colors being the lighter blue would be indicative of low pressure or upper troughing. So the thing to point out is we kind of stay under a northwest flow through the whole period, and we have several disturbances that pass through, at least through the middle part of the coming week. And then when we get late into next week, we do have a bit more of a ridge trying to pop up. So you see a disturbance passing through on Saturday. May see a few thunderstorms in northwest Montana, and then we have another one that drops through Monday into Tuesday, and this may actually induce decent pressure gradient across western Montana. So there's a potential for some north to northeast winds. There's moderate confidence in that direction change, especially across western Montana. Lower confidence as you get into north central Idaho, and we have only low to moderate confidence as far as the intensity of the winds. At this point, they just look to be somewhat breezy but not windy. And so it is significant though, because there could certainly be a change in wind direction being late Monday into Tuesday. Also with that will come a chance for showers and thunderstorms. At this point it looks mostly focused along the divide, but it certainly is a changeable forecast in how west those showers will go. Right now it doesn't look overly wet, probably pretty low chance of wetting rains, but focused right along the divide. Storms in this manner may just be more gusty winds and light rain than anything else, but we'll have to see. It will continue to be warm, but there will be a brief improvement in those min-RHs Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, I forgot to mention some of the thermal belts we've been seeing the last few nights should improve somewhat as we go into the weekend and early next week, as we're not under quite as much ridging. Now I did mention that late next week we'd be under, we're expecting to be under a ridge of high pressure at that point once again instead of the northwest flow. And so that does bring in the idea of warmer temperatures once again. And just looking at this heat risk for Thursday, you can see we're all the way up into the high category for a few lower elevations of north central Idaho and even far northwest Montana. So could see multiple days over 100 degrees focused for the lower elevations of north central Idaho. Moderate confidence in that. So that'd be late next week. Now looking even a bit further ahead, the 28th of July through early August, the trend definitely being toward above normal temperatures continuing in the Northern Rockies and Pacific Northwest. and below normal precipitation. So a lot of the same pattern continues. Pretty warm to hot and mostly dry with a few thunderstorms mixing in occasionally. Well, that's all for today's briefing. The next scheduled briefing is on the 24th. If you have any questions, please contact us. You have a good day.